Hello. How's it going? Today, I'm trying to get a build out for a real life event. Huh? What is that? Darkwood. Starting strong with the sub. Thank you so much. How's it going? Thank you so much for that. Wow. It's a good way to start. 0.25. 0.25. What is up with that? So this value right here, this 0.25, that's like normalized value from the start of the day to the end of the day. From midnight to midnight, it goes 0 to 1. And the sky shader has gradients that it goes through. And at 0.26, the sky should be very pink sunrise. Augie, how's it going? Happy to put you in a good mood. Working from home since my partner had surgery on his foot on Monday, so he can't really walk. Oh wow, I'm sorry. Um, I hope he's recovering well. Augie, you tired today? You're always tired. Also, my shadow distances got all messed up again. This doesn't make any sense. Point two, yeah, point, what was the first value? Let's quit this. First value is 0.25. Simple dynamic sky shader. Simple dynamic sky shader. So simple dynamic sky shader at 0.25 is 0.25. It's this, it's super pink and super yellow. What up, Val? Finally fixed your GitHub problem. Nice, congrats. He's fine. He just has to keep his foot in the air. Oh no, that sounds annoying. Hope you're taking good care of him. Sure you are. Now I can finish adding the new voices and send feedback to the voice actor. That's awesome. Can't believe you're doing voices. That's so much. Both of you, Val and Augie, doing voices in a solo dev project. Well, Val, you're not solo dev. Well, I don't know. That's a funny question. Val, do you consider yourself a solo dev? Also, these colors are kind of whack. They're a little crazy, aren't they? No, you don't consider. Okay. Yeah, I wouldn't have considered you one either. Also, I just realized I forgot to have water today. I didn't have a single sip of water all day. I gotta go get water. I have too many people telling me that my code is bad. I mean, it's just Animal Crossing noises. Oh, okay, I see. I almost bought a pack, a Unity asset pack that was just like that kind of sound. Hydrate. All right, Darkwood. I gotta go get water. 1 sec. Are you kidding me? The mic was off that whole time. God damn it. What was I saying? Okay, so yeah, today, very weird day because I have off from work. I didn't have to do the day job today, even though I did 5 minutes of day job work anyway. But I basically packed in all these chores that I needed to get done. Oh, should we tell him? Probably. I wish you did tell me. I spoke for a very long time. But yeah, I found myself to be super busy because I just try to pack in all the chores while trying to get a build out for this indie dev meetup in real life. No, it's cool. It's cool. So now I'm trying to get this last thing finished, which is the sky shader isn't updating time of day properly. Only in editor mode is it updating properly. IRL, indie dev meetup. Yep. I went to one last week and it was really cool. Some people played the game. And it was really fun. And I'm going to an even bigger one today. And I don't know if I'll get to show off the game because they technically have a themed night for presentations, but I don't know if, putting your laptop in the corner and letting people play counts as a presentation or if anyone can do that. Yeah, it is cool. It's really interesting. There's like hundreds of people that go to this bar and they're all indie devs and some people show off, some people just want to drink, some people just want to play games. It's really fun. I get to meet a lot of locals. I get to meet some foreigners that are visiting. There's expats like me. It's really cool. Really, really cool. But the sky shader is like the last thing. I've been trying to get these button prompts working really well so that when I hand the controller to someone, I don't have to stand there and explain like, oh, sorry, yeah, I didn't do that yet. I think that's all good. Everything's like pretty good with the freaking controller support and showing the button based on the controller. I did hit a weird bug in the Steam Deck just now, but I don't know. I'm gonna ignore that for a second because I can't recreate it. Okay, here's what I'm gonna try. Time of day. I'm trying to like cache the shader into a variable and then adjust the shader values, but I'm just gonna reference it directly. It's possible that like you just can't cache an environment shader. I don't know. Anyway, how you guys doing? How you all doing? Jeez, listen to me just talking, yapping, not even asking how you're all doing. God. So selfish. So here's what I'm doing. Time of day animator. Wait. Time of day animator set float. Oh, here it is. So current sky. So instead of doing this, what I'm going to do is if render settings dot skybox does not equal null. Render settings dot skybox dot set float. Time of day. Normalized day value. Okay. Let's see if that does the trick. Oh, wait a minute. This is... Wait a minute. I might have to do this at the end? Let me try something else as well. So I'm setting it here. What if I do it here? I don't know. Let's just try that. I don't know. I'll try anything at this point. Am I still muted? Mike muted? Can we get a shout out for Crazy Mike and Wacky Wonderland? Do I have a thing? Crazy Mike. Yeah, I do. Crazy Mike released this game, and now it's time to buy it. And I bought it, and I played it for about 40 minutes. Val, you don't know who Crazy Mike is. That's crazy. That's crazy Mike. Uh I mean he took like a month or two off. Maybe like almost 3 months off from because he got really busy at his day job. But I met him like I don't know, 5 months ago. I think through FinSifty. No, he raided me one day. I think that's what happened. He raided me one day. That's how I met him. I'm so out of the scene. Nah. But yeah, he's a freaking character, you know? I love Crazy Mike. He's just absolutely bonkers entertaining. All right, I feel like this is gonna do it. Just putting this here, just right here. Yag loves him, which means I should too. Maybe. All right, let's see if this works. I'm gonna first I'll check in the editor, then I'll do a build. Oof, I just did something really stupid. I will say, the funny thing about Crazy Mike is that you know sometimes you talk to streamers, right? And you sometimes you're getting a like a personality. Sometimes you're getting like a cool, like fake enthusiasm. You get like different things from different streamers, right? I don't know what kind of vibe I give off, but whatever. That's not the point. The vibe that Crazy Mike gives off is extremely real. Like and at the same time it's a joke. So I really appreciate like the realness that you get from it. And he like you can he like spends the time to think about what you're saying and responds thoughtfully and he's very playful about it, which I like. Yo, Atrum, how's it going? Am I winning? I don't know, maybe. Atrum, there's something I wanted to tell you. Oh, right, your video. You sent a video 2 days ago about your nested if statements, like your crazy if statements. I didn't play the video. I just skipped like 5 seconds in and I saw you had like, you know, 3 if statements and then close them all up. And then I still had a tab open, so I'm like, oh, there's a whole video. Let me play it. And I'm like, oh my god, what is happening here? You got down to like 40 nested. Just I just swiped something off my desk like an idiot. But yeah, you had like 40 nested if statements. It got crazy. And then the music. Yeah, it was so many nests. Your stream time with Vibe. Wait, what? Because I just woke up and your stream is very calm. What do you mean Vibe? I'm here for the chaos. I got no chaos. Turn your back to convention. Return to goblin. Or turn your back on convention. I don't even know. I don't even know if I'm trying to like do something specific. Ameripan! Konnichiwa! Genki desu ka? Wait, did it work? No. I didn't even look. It didn't even look. Genki desu. I'm assuming that's the kanji for Genki. I don't actually know. I'm actually using that nested stuff in my string to color parse because it's slightly faster. All right, this did work. I was actually my wife and I we were so proud of ourselves last night. We were walking down the street and some some van with a big advertisement was driving by, and it was mostly kanji, a little bit of hiragana, a little bit of katakana. We read it like full on. We're just like, okay, now we read it, but we didn't understand what it meant because it was like a weird product. What was it? It was like it was like man lotion or something. Man moisturizer. I don't know why. It was a giant truck, one of those big advertisement trucks. Miss Puffles, how's it going? All right, I'm gonna do a build. So this is gonna be a more chill dev stream. I'm just trying to get a good build going. Nothing crazy. You're at work. Well, I hope you don't get in trouble watching streams. Foil machine goes smooth as butter. What's a foil machine? All right, I'll tell you what's going to be on the show. So today, my only goal, it's going to be a pretty short stream. My only goal is to get a good build for this IRL meetup. That's all I want to do. Yeah. You put foil on paper. I still don't understand what that means. Is it dangerous? Or is it like, do you mean artwork, like colored, like putting colored foil on like foil art? I think I've heard of that. Also, I'm wearing a hat because I nicked my head when I was shaving this morning, and head wounds do not stop bleeding for days. I don't know why. Oh, it doesn't like I have dev build on. New game. Come on. Come on, baby. Dink, dink, dink. Come on, be a pink sky. Be a pink sky. Be a pink sky. Damn it. Blue sky. It's getting pink. It's getting pink. And now it's nighttime. It just went from daytime to nighttime in one whole second. But why? Why did it do that? Do I have a print statement? No. I don't understand. Can I say render settings skybox.getFloat time of day print get float? Okay, so this is the get float, and then normalized day value. Okay, we're gonna hook this up. This is so annoying. I mean, in 2 seconds, I'm just gonna go back to like, just, I'm gonna just take out the time of day and just make it always blue. There's only 2 times you see the sky right now. No, 3 times. There's 3 moments where you see the sky. And I just want to make sure that the sky is the right color during those 3 cutscenes, you know? It's not that complicated. It's not that complicated. Okay, I took it out of here, right? We are not affecting the sky here. We are only affecting the sky here. Normalized time of day. This is what it does. It gets the fraction between the ticks then it gets the relative time of day, 0 to 1 value from midnight to midnight, feeds that into the shader. It's a private float. It's totally fine. It's not getting set anywhere else other than here. All right. Let's see. Do another build. Yes, replace, please. The type of plastic, I think, you put on top of paper sometimes. Well, I still don't really know what that means, but that's okay. We can keep it a mystery. Does that build really fast. 14 seconds completed that build. Computer! How are ya? All right, so I need to tell the editor to grab this game. Yep. New game. Finished. Begin. Depends. Did you turn on elf? Hells no. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Get float is 0.25. That means it should be pink. This is not, I'm not setting the right material. What is happening? Let me walk you guys through what's going on. Raise your hand if you're a Unity dev and you're going to get this. In computer, I didn't turn on LFS yet. But I did figure out why I didn't figure it out, but I fixed my my main Unity scene. It was 300 megabytes for some reason. I looked into the text document and it had a bunch of stuff that was just already deleted. I basically just took all these game objects and I copied and pasted them into a fresh, clean scene, resaved it, 35 megabytes. It purged 300 megabytes of garbage data that was just lost. So now I'm running clean, very clean. Is there another like way? Render settings dot skybox dot set. I feel like there's a different way to set a material. So it's not like setting the instance of the material. What if I do this? What if I do this? Render settings dot current dot skybox. I don't know what kind of material foil is either. I just run the machine. That's there we go. Now neither of us know. This is boggling me. This is boggling my brain. All right. This is bizarre. I'm getting the static material, and I'm setting a value directly on that material, but it's not showing properly in the build. Is it because do I need to like cache it and then reset it? Do I need to be like, okay, how about let's try this. Let's try this. So def.sky material. Let's do this. Def.sky material equals current sky material. Then I'm going to make sure it's not null. I'm going to set the float. And then I'm going to set it to current material. So I'm going to do the changes to this thing and then set it immediately. Let's see if that works. These values I can guarantee you are proper, correct. The fact that the other sky was animating at all, blowing my mind. I don't even know how it's animating. Changing materials at runtime always creates a temp instance of that material unless you use a specific command. No idea if that helps, but it's tipped me in the past. Yes, and I'll tell you, I do that sometimes. So let's see. So to my foliage, I have a static material weather system. Static vegetation material swapper. Here we go. No, this ain't it. Oh, it looks like I was gonna do something. Oh, yeah, look at that. Okay. Runtime only. Copy properties from material. This is what I do. Okay, I think I was having this issue with like my foliage turning brown in fall and then basically turning off in winter. I was having a similar issue. Let's just confirm that it works in the editor now. The difference is material versus shared material. But that's on render, that's on render meshes. Okay, so it still works here. But this is on like the lighting. This is the render settings. Like there's no, like it's just dot skybox, which is the material. Render settings dot shared material. Yeah. Skybox, ambience, skybox amount. There is no like alternative. Don't know if you noticed, but while running around, the shadow of the flowers pop in and out quite noticeably. Yes. Ever since I downloaded FlatKit, the Unity asset pack where I grab my water from, it keeps hijacking my my shadow distance. Universal Innkeeper universal render. Yeah, this. Split one. Wait. What is happening? What did I do? Okay, that's better. That's gonna change. Like I don't know what is grabbing this and changing it, but something is grabbing it and changing it. I've deleted the whole FlatKit asset except the material that I needed, but it's still being changed. I don't know. It's driving me nuts. But thank you for pointing that out because I kept forgetting to change it. I got to keep an eye on the clock. So it's 4. Basically, yeah, I got like an hour and a half. 5:30. I'm going to set a timer on my phone. Alarm. Edit. Hamlarm? I have an alarm called Hamlarm. I think it was reminding me to use the ham for breakfast. Ridiculous. Okay. Got the alarm. I'm using URP. Also, Atrium, have you ever shared what you're working on? I'm not sure I remember. I think you said you work on a team, right? Like at a company. Doing an MMO RPG as a hobby project. Hells yeah. It didn't work. Look, it's nighttime. It's not even printing anything. Cause it's not, cause it's paused. Cause it's paused. Hmm. Hmm. Well, okay, how about this? What if I run to town while it's still 6 a.m.? It should still be pink, the sky. And what's the sky color here? No, it's still nighttime. It's not throwing that print statement. Never. Still nighttime. Was it throwing it here? Did my first remote server test yesterday with a friend in Ireland. He could sign up, log in, create a character, log in and play with me. All worked, all custom servers. Wow. Congrats. That's big. Wait, this print statement's not even happening. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, I disabled it. That's annoying. Yeah, that is awesome. That's a big victory. So I'm hyped AF. My friends just tell me now I have to build a game as well. Yeah. I mean, that's the trap of MMOs. There's so much backend. So much backend. You got to worry about cheating. Got to worry about too much. MMO devs rise up. Val, I don't know. I don't know if you're I mean, we've talked about this. Are you making an MMO or not? I guess you've got a database of characters and their stats. Yeah, I guess you are. This don't hurt me like this. Don't do it. Oh, doggy. That's a lot of hacking. So much. Got to make sure no critical parts of the server's accessible by just sending a UDP packet. That sounds so hard. It's absolutely, yeah. No. I'm just saying, like, it always makes you think, because, like, you know, most of the time MMOs are like open world, but your characters are like chatters. So it's kind of beautiful, actually. Finn, what up, Finn? I don't care what other devs on the team try to tell me. Nah, I don't listen to them. Network security gives me nightmares. Yeah. I don't think I can ever make something that needs to be secure. Like, I don't even plan on making my save file binary. I'm just going to leave it like a JSON file. You can do whatever you want to it if you need to. I don't care. Nerd power. How are you so big? Also, Finn, thanks for, I guess, thanks for the bits. You got to remember to thank people for the bits. Oh, I made it really cheap. I made it 11. I'm here for my streak. That hurts my feelings, you know. That could be anyone to you, as long as you get your streak. Ugh. You've never seen one? First of all, you don't know who Crazy Mike is, and now you haven't seen a gigantified emote yet? Actually, let me just overwrite it. I mean, it's funny because I don't see the on-screen celebrations anywhere. What do I got to go to my... I don't even see it on Twitch. Did it break? I just missed it. I hope it was worth it. Finn, how was the house viewing? Is it the perfect home? Wait, because the thing... Wait, what? It's the thing you most want when you're a Twitch engineer. Putting a feature in is that the streamer can't see it in OBS. Yeah. It's a mystery. I don't even know. Yeah, I don't even know what you did. And thank you for the bits. Because it always comes with bits. You got a guide price, but F that guide price. It's delusional. Is that IP address showing up like totally a security breach or something? That's what Brian Boitano would do. I don't get it. I don't get it. It's 0.25. It's 0.25 and it's not moving, but the sky is animating. It doesn't make any freaking sense. Realtors create unrealistic expectations in their vendors. The reason we have a massive deposit is because we don't throw money at what's basically a debt obligation in the future. I'm going to play Alpine Lake tomorrow. I wish I could fix this stupid bug. How about this? Setting value on skybox material in build. Changing skybox material through script. I am trying to do something seemingly simple. I have the same seemingly simple problem. Change the material. It also refuses to work if I use render settings.skybox.material. Use this code instead. Huh? I see from your code that the mistake I made was thinking I need to have .material after skybox. I appreciate the help. To change skybox during the runtime is easy. No, I don't want to change the material. I want to set a value on the material. What if I can every frame instantiate a new material? That's crazy, right? That's what Crazy Mike would do. Dynamic GI update environment. Ooh, what's that one? I probably don't. I'm not using GI, so I probably don't need to use that. I love it. This forum post is from 2017. Render settings.sky. Yeah, this is just changing the material. I got that. That works fine. I'm going to try to start earlier, and if it works, I'm going to make it a thing. You're going to start earlier than my 6 a.m.? Well, then I'm not going to be able to watch it. Also, I'm going to a bar tonight, so I'm not going to be able to wake up at 6 a.m. I'm going to ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT helped me out the other day. I'm going to ask ChatGPT. I'm trying to... Wait. In Unity, I'm setting a custom skybox material to render settings.skybox. When I try to call set float, it doesn't seem to work in the build. It only works in editor. What you got? Shared compatibility. Ensure that the shader used in your skybox material supports the property. Set float. Shader keywords. Material instance. Oh, it's giving me code to test. This is garbage. This is garbage information. Ensure that your shared materials are included in the build. Of course they are. Ensure that you're modifying an instance of the material rather than the shared material. Modifying the shared material can lead to unexpected behavior. Use material instead of shared material to get an instance of the material. Like I said, this isn't a mesh. Some shaders require specific keywords to be enabled or disabled. This code all works fine in editor, but it does not function properly in build. Come on, ChatGPT. Ensure that the shader is included in your build. Yes, it's included in the build. Go to Edit, Project Settings, Graphics. Add your shader to the always included shader list. I mean, I could try that. Works in editor, not in build. It's the worst. These are the worst bugs when something works in editor but not in build. Let me see. Edit project settings, graphics. Graphics. Built-in shaders always include 13 shaders. What do I do? Just like add another one? Should I say like dynamic, simple, sky? What did I call it? I don't even remember. Dynamic, simple. It's called Polygon Skybox Unlit. But I mean, it's there. Like I know it's visible. It's just not Polygon Skybox Unlit. I don't know. I don't know what this does. Scriptable render pipeline settings. Wait, I don't have settings? Innkeeper, yo. Change render pipeline. Changing this render pipeline asset might take a significant amount of time. Why is there not one set? URP global settings. Here it is. What's going on here? Why is this not set? The scriptable render pipeline is in use. Some settings will not be used and are hidden. Which one is in use? Why is scriptable render pipeline settings set to none? Can't find render pipeline options. Okay, this is, as I search for this problem, it is uncovering many other problems. Damn it. I'm gonna... Should I do it? Should I continue? Okay, it was instant. It was instant. Check the quality tab. Oh, you think it like sets different ones per project settings. Quality. Quality. What is happening? Am I crazy? Here it is. Jesus. So it is using it. Okay, I see. It's totally using it. This is just... I don't even know what this is. This is nonsense then. Doesn't do shit. And what is this universal? It's 7 light layers. I don't know. The RP asset is in that area. Yeah, it looks set. It looks set. Thanks for that. It's very strange. This is frustrating. What can I try? What can I try? All right, I'm gonna print so much. No, I'm gonna print it all. Here we go. Ready? Wait, I am printing render settings skybox. I'm printing it. Set lighting. Animated skybox material. No. That was horrible. No, I don't want any of that stuff. All right, what else could be wrong? Current, I'm setting it. This doesn't make any sense. It's not changing. It starts changing here, probably because the cutscene was over. Yep. This is the cutscene. Cutscene's over right here. And then they start changing together. They're identical. Let me open up that thing. So, dynamic sky shader, sky, edit. You sure that method is being called in build? I mean, it's printing. This is definitely printing. You mean this set float? When I set this float to this value and I get the float back from render settings, they're identical. So I see no reason why it's not working. So here, time of day, sample gradient. It samples these two gradients, and then it makes a gradient out of these two values. And why? Very simple, very easy. We're not using the star map because it doesn't work. Get out of here, star map. One day we'll get you to work, not today. It's not today. This value is clamped. It can never be greater than 1 or less than 0. Its reference is underscore time of day. It's exposed. Precision. Override property declaration. Shader declaration. I don't know what this means. Hybrid per instance. What is this nonsense? Shader declaration. What's a float property shader declaration Unity URP? It's if it's a global variable or per material. Yo, Kev. They said he was handsome. I was skeptical, but hot damn, here we are. Are you talking about yourself? Are you looking in a mirror again and just oogling at yourself? You gotta stop doing that. So this should be global. I kind of want it to be global. I want all materials to reference the same value. Meeting time. Good luck. Thank you, computer. Good luck in your meeting. Sorry, I have my profile picture. How you doing? I'm doing good. How are you? Maybe this will work. Maybe changing to global. If I'm changing one, they change them all, right? So maybe the right one will get changed. I don't know. Let's try it. Let's try it. So save asset. I'll see if it works in build, or I'll see if it works in the editor first. Got back from the gym, so I'm all good now. Kev, maybe you can help me with my issue here. From one Unity dev to another. I'm struggling. I'm struggling hardcore. Some HC struggle right here. Basically, I have a sky dome. I have a skybox shader that when you feed it a float, it changes color based on the time of day. And I have a script. Oh, set global float. You have to do set global float? Okay. Well, it still freaking works here. Let's do it. Let's set global float. Set global float. No, didn't work. Why? Doesn't have a set global float. Set global. There is no global. Shader is a class. Oh, shader. Wait. Shader dot set global float. But like, what? How do you set it? Sets a global float property for all shaders. How do you, what is the ID of that value? There's nothing else. Let's see this. Shader declaration URP Unity. Is there documentation on it? Are we done with Final Fantasy? It's for global shader variables like time and camera matrix. Well, I kind of want time of day to be global. I'll use it other places too. All right, so I won't override its declaration property. Maybe that's not it. Wait a minute. Look at this. So, right. What happens if I... All right, let's think about this. Let's think about this. Do some critical thinking. Should I just have like 4 materials for the different times of day? And then depending on what time it is, I set that material. Ugh, that's so lame. But then I can do like, I could just duplicate this one 4 times. This one's like sunrise, afternoon, night. And then I'll leave this one dynamic, whatever. So sunrise is 0.25. Say 0.26. Night is 0. Afternoon is 0.5. And time of day. Time of day. Where are you? This is so hacky, but I just want the build to work today, you know? Where the hell is it? Managers? No. Systems. Time of day. There you are. I'm an idiot. It's already open. So here I'll just grab the 3 materials. Public material. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Someone mentioned offline that you can try disable this. Asynchronous shader compilation is an editor-only feature that can improve your workflow when you have complex shader objects with lots of shader variants. I don't like this. They've already said too many words that I don't understand. It's just a checkbox. Worth testing just to see if it works. All right, I'll test it. Where is this? In project settings editor? Project settings editor. Asynchronous shader compilation. Who's this new character skin? Turning cog. Talking about the hat. The hat is necessary because I might be bleeding profusely under it. Should I take the hat off to see if I'm covered in blood? I think that's against Twitch TOS. You can't be covered in your own blood. Oh, because I nicked myself when I was shaving, and head skin does not heal quickly. For some reason, when you nick your head when you're shaving, it bleeds forever and ever. Just won't stop. It's relentless. I thought all that was natural. You mean being bloody on chat? Being natural? All right, let's see if this works in editor. The bald not bleeding? No. I have hair. I I use a straight razor. I shave it off. Whoa, now it's just pure white. Now it's just pure white. That's not right. Although pure white looks better than like nighttime sky all the time. Yeah, now the shader's not doing anything. If anything, it's illuminating to me that something's messed up. Well, let's see if it works in build. I don't know. What broke? I have no idea. Whatever that checkbox was, it made shaders function properly. Oh, wait, my gradients are gone. My gradients are gone. What happened? Serialized object target has been destroyed. What? Discard. What? Okay, that was not just a checkbox. That was a naughty, naughty checkbox. I'm unchecking that box. Or I'm rechecking it. I don't know what that was, but that can't be good. Ah, everything's still dead. Shoot. All right, it's fine. It's this one. At least I'm not getting an error now. I mean, the problem is that these colors were wrong, so I have to reset them. Oh crap, I dialed these in all specifically. Now I don't know how to get them back. That didn't save? What? Oh, come on, you're killing me. Now you're killing me. Five. Paste. Paste. I think it was like this. Paste. And then let's new. Save that. This was like this. Oh no, this was like a little lighter actually. And we'll save that. Okay. SRP is just a total mess. Do you mean scriptable render pipeline or standard rendered pipeline? Oh wait, I just missed a bunch. Now's not the time to be breaking shaders. No, we need frogs driving boats. I was just trying to watch a new MMO and managed to find another dev playing on his second channel. Wait, what do you mean? I can't escape the community even if I try. Nah, software dev is where it's at. I could get this back if I pull it from Git, but this looks normal now. There we go. So this is day, this is noon, this is night. It's actually a little off. I think the sky should be darker. Paste. We'll place that one. And then this one needs to be... This one needs to be a little lighter. Come on. No. Chill. Haste. Oh my god. And this needs to be brighter. Copy. Paste. And then replace. Okay. All right, so this is daytime, nighttime, sunrise. All right. Now, nighttime still doesn't look right. There's like barely a difference in... This is a huge difference. I don't understand why it doesn't look like there's a difference. It should look like this. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, because it's going from the very bottom. There we go. Okay, so this is nighttime sky. It's got like a little lightness at the horizon. And then I actually want it to get really dark. Oh my god. Oh my god, stop that. It's so sensitive. Three. Three. I just never left built-in render pipeline because it's so much more stable. Yeah, it is much more stable. But there's just like little things that are just better. It's worth it. It's worth the instability. For me, at least. Okay. I can live with this for now, but what do I do about getting this to work? What do I do about getting this to work? It's already 4:45. I just need one stupid build. I wonder if... You think like sample gradient just doesn't work the same way? And the other strange thing is in build mode, let me open up the build again. In build mode, or in the build. It animates. How is it even animating? New game. Like, check this out. You can watch it animating. That means something is setting the value, right? The value is setting. So look at that. It's animating. It's going through the whole day. Something is pushing it along. I'm not pushing it along. I mean, I am. I don't know where. I don't know where that's getting pushed along. Sample gradient should be the same ever, of course. And the only place where I set that value is here. What happens if I take that out? Current sky material. What happens if I just go, okay, no more, we're not setting this float. Now what? Now what are you going to do? What you got? If I don't set it, let's see what happens in the editor, right? Is the game haunted? It's definitely haunted. It's most definitely haunted. Oh my God. Main menu. New game. Finish. Begin. Why are you trying to break it? I just want this guy to work. Look, get float is 1. Look at that. That's normal. Because I'm not setting it. And now it's just nighttime, right? This is the only place exactly where I copied it from. I'm going to do a build and see what happens. Oh, that was get float. Oh, sorry. You're right. 3 commented places. Here, here, and now here, all commented out. I'm going to do a build. I'm going to do a fresh build. I keep overriding my build. I'm going to do a fresh one. B3. Cursed. Yeah, it's super cursed, right? This is crazy. We need to get like a Unity engineer in here. This is going to be you in 5. Nah, I mean, worst case scenario, I'm just going to fall back to be noon all the time, not animated, and it's going to be fine. I just want this to work. I just need to figure out a better way to do it. That global property seems promising. Like if I can set a global property, maybe the shader will grab that value better. Maybe. Wait. What is this? Oh, it's already open. Let's see. Am I still bleeding? Oh my God. I'm not bleeding. Look at that. That's nice. Back to my old self. This is so strange. This doesn't happen often where the values, like something's just not adding up, right? The weather system I'm using uses enums to call the values of the day, night, weather, and season. So you're using like an asset, I would assume that there's some file somewhere that's directly talking to the sky material, which is basically what I'm trying to do. Directly talk to the sky material and change it. Let's see. It's night. It's not animating. I just realized something. What if instead of like... No, you need a material. You need a material. Yeah, but I still gotta know how it works more than I can say for other people using assets. I'm happy to not really know what how an asset works, as long as it works well. And it does absolutely everything I need it to do. But once you need to like change it, it's annoying. All right, what's something else I can do? One more thing. First of all, we'll just set it to noon, so at least it looks like this. Oh, look at that. It actually changes the lighting? Why? Global illumination. No. Why are you doing that? Environment reflections are from the skybox. Yeah. I don't have global illumination. Why is it changing the lighting when I do that? Real-time light maps. Environment. Wait. What are you doing? So this source is the skybox. Is the gradient. What's this one? Gradient. What's up with that? That's bizarre, right? So changing this changes the lighting. Oh no, it's only changing the reflections. It is changing the reflections. I think it's because this just has some like specularity, this material. And I see it's changing like the mailbox reflections a lot. And is it because our scene material or our if you would estimate how far you are into development, where would you say you are? Like percentage wise? I feel like I'm 75% done. I feel like once this demo comes out, I'll have a very clear path to release. Less to do at the moment, so I can be on the phone again. Woo! Nice. Did you fix the button layouts for each controller type so you don't get people starting a fire in the comments? Yeah, I think so. I think I got all the button stuff working. If I'm not in control, I might as well play a game. I mean, sure. But you're in control of that enum. Hope to do more arting this week. What kind of art do you do? All right. I think I'm going to set it to be like this. I'm going to actually adjust this one more time. I'm going to make this almost pure white. Copy. Paste. And then replace. Save. Okay, there we go. That looks nice. So now there's a nice white horizon up to a nice blue sky. I'd like to get some more character animations so I can do backgrounds next week. I'm kind of behind schedule because I got sidetracked for a bit over a week. Hate it when that happens. Don't you just hate it when that happens? I got very sidetracked yesterday, but not in a bad way, in a good way. My wife had off from work, so she sidetracked me. But that's okay. I'll take those. All right, you know what? I'm going to hands up. I'm going to say, forget it. I'm going to do a build. I'm going to call it done. I'm going to play it for a bit, see what bugs we find. And that's it. That's what I'm going to take with me. So we did it. Hence why my deadline is 5 years. Put it in the calendar, 5 years from now. 2029, release date. I've never been sidetracked in my life. Augie's been pure focus. Laser focus for all 22 years of his life. From age 0, 22 years ago, to age 22 today. Augie's life. Laser focus. We're like lazy focus. 22 years of lazy laser focus. Last project took about 2 years, I think. Oh wait, you're doing game dev. Have you shared your project, Miss Puffles? Not sure I remember. That's a lot of assumptions in that sentence. Like what? Pretty sure it's all fact. I mean, this is television, baby. It's fact when it's on TV. 2.5 years, longest you've ever worked on a game. It's coming out nice. It's coming out nice. Paper clay. I definitely took about 8 months breaks. 8 months of breaks in the last 3.5 years. Not all at once, but every once in a while I'll stop working for a month. And I think if you add up all the time that I stopped, maybe like 5 months. Yo, Purple Moss. Wait, you're the paper clay dev. Yeah. That's the paper clay dev. And for those that don't know, Purple Moss is the Dungeons and Degenerate Gamblers dev. Absolute massive Steam Next Fest hit. Yeah, the paperclip. Yeah, the paperclay dev. We've heard it. We've heard it all, Foul, haven't we? No. Yeah. He's the paperclay dev. Don't worry, I know what you meant. I know, Foul. You're all enthusiasm. Shout out to Foul and his endless supply of enthusiasm. Dungeons and Degenerates Gamblers is a fantastic name. Looks great as well. Play it. Is the demo still up? Toxic enthusiasm. Thank God I'm not a dev. I'm just a scrub slowly learning Elixir while having trouble with GitHub. What's Elixir? All right, let's play. Let's play. Let's find some bugs. Okay, here's right off the bat. I've been trying to deal with this morning as well. So I go to complete character, right? These input boxes with the controller are horrific. Like, they just don't work. So that's why I made these random buttons like the default. So I don't have to go over there. Once I go over there, of course I'm stuck. And if I hit back, it doesn't stop editing. It doesn't stop editing the input. So I'm just stuck there forever until I use the mouse. And the mouse is hidden, of course, because I'm using a controller. All right, so there's my sky color. You're keeping the demo up, nice. Wait, Elixir's a programming language? Planning to build a server. What? Why? So here, look at that. We got use left stick to move. Give it a try. Okay. Pressing X will use the currently highlighted item. Okay. Tutorial cool. I made the hammer bigger. Does it look stupid? Open mailbox with A. That worked. That says open your journal using the D-pad up button to view all of your tasks. Neat. That works. MMOs require servers? Wait a minute. What? Augie. What are you talking about? Kev, you stream, right? Of course Kev streams. I had to do that just so I can shout out Anderson Kev. So this cutscene's looking nice. I like this. I need clouds. I like how this particle effect stays in view here. I actually might want to make it lower so that it's even more intense. Also, why is the cursor stuck being visible there? There we go. Oh no. What was that? Oh, the particle effect is horrific. It was bugging out in front of the tree. It looks fine now. Are you building a waifu gotcha MMO? So I'm just gonna kind of play around, see what bugs I can find. Blast through all the text. Do you think that there's a strict relationship to the games you like and the games you want to, like the games you like to play and the games you want to make? Like, Turning Cog, you're saying you have no desire to play Genshin. Why would you make one? Spirit of Steel will lead you. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Like, do you think you can't make a game that you would never want to play? Also, yeah, I'm missing chat. And I can't scroll the chat because my cursor's trapped. There we go. Wait, Miss Puffles, you said the game you finished is a Game Boy game. Like for actual Game Boy, or is it like one of those new mod, not mod, but like a mod game where you make a Game Boy game for Game Boy, but it's like not official? Wait, Augie, you have a side project? Be careful. I didn't know this. This is dangerous news. Augie, you realize we will never actually build a game. It's all just MMO backend server. You will forever be stuck in backend. That's why it's the side project. Oh, be careful. You got to play a lot while you're making it, so you may as well enjoy it. That's a good point. Absolutely. Why would you build a game you don't want to play? Eileen Rude. Games you like, you play a lot. So you at least know what they are about. That's true too. Yeah, it's hard to make a game you don't like. What if you played a game you don't like a lot? I thought Best Friend was the song. No, it's Tim and Eric. Just a quote. I'm doing some madness with Elixir and C++. What? This is a new side of you, Augie. I don't know if I like it. I have multiple side projects. It's a proper Game Boy file. You can flash it to a cart. Oh, interesting. So you made like a real Game Boy game. That's cool. Barley had a spite because the Game Boy style games that's not actually Game Boy and Game Boy games annoy me. Sorry, I butchered that. If people don't care what they are building, they do a shitty job. I mean, maybe you still care about it. You just don't like the genre generally. Maybe you do it out of spite, so you would like the genre. People don't care. What if? What if you make like a super competitive Unreal Tournament style like not MMO, but like deathmatch, but instead of killing each other, it's like hardcore farming, first person farming, like hardcore first person farming, or like a MOBA, but it's all farm. None of it's like killing each other. It's all farming mechanics. I don't know. Maybe there's something there. What if you played a game you really don't like? It's called life, yeah. Lest kept secret. Welcome in. Fall Guys. What about Fall Guys? All right, I'm all caught up. I'm all caught up. Thank you for the follow. I have to meet all the neighbors. The button clicks on the Xbox controller are very loud. They get clipped from the mic, though. That's good. Oh my God, Carlos, you talk a lot. Fall Guys is mid. What about Fall Guys, though? I've played it a few times. I get it, though. It's fun. It's just... I don't know. I didn't love it. Stay on. Wait. Why does everything need to be hit twice? Something weird's going on. Look at this. It's not selecting anything? Now it is. Not selecting it, selecting it. Not selecting it, selecting it. And I'm only getting the loot once. Ugh, What the hell's going on? Whoa, 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 whoa. So laggy now. It's so laggy now. I don't know what's happening. Continue. I actually saw that bug during a playtest. So I gotta investigate that one. Meet Jeff. Oh, I didn't meet Jeff yet? Gotta go meet Jeff. How's it only 10 a.m.? Time does not go fast anymore. Can you drive your bike into the river? No. It's already 4. Should I even stream today? Yeah, why not? Also, this was broken last time. Not broken anymore. Why can't I just use Final Fantasy music as my music? Is there a reason why you can't do that? Are you the owner of that store? No. No. That guy wears a brown hoodie. And he's got a long beard. Oh, and he's got like a horseshoe balding pattern. I don't have a horseshoe balding pattern. I'm completely bald. It's me in 3 years. It's possible. I don't like having a long beard. Wait, why are there 2 bikes? Why do I got 2 bikes? What? Oh, crap. All right, let's write down these notes. I don't know. Playthrough. Oh my god, notes. 6:19. Demo is weird. 2 bikes. Well, we have 3 bikes. You know what? I'm gonna stop this. I'm gonna continue it from the editors just so I can see maybe there's errors being thrown. Infinite bike glitch, yeah. Was it this character? Wait, why are there no quests? Why do neither of these characters have any quests completed or active? Oh god, what have we done? What have we done? What is happening? What is going on here? This is what version control is good for? It wasn't me, I swear. I think I know what the problem is. It's when I migrated everything to this new scene. I didn't finish like making it okay. Now okay, I gotta yeah. In scene. Sanity check. Where does it say? Oh, in scene. I see. How about this core scene? Save system. Soft scene connector. Yeah. There's something there's like a missing piece to this. So this this scene called in_scene. I didn't delete it. It still exists. It's just I migrated everything to a new one. Okay, this is not a good bug to have an hour before you go to show off your game. That's horrible. Is there anything in scene? In scene. Main game scene. Is that what I call it? Main game scene. Yep. SPM. Let's reset. Refresh. Okay. So obviously what's happening is the save data is not saving. Save system. If I go to main menu, main scene. No, main menu. Start menu. Start menu. It was Moss. I also blame Moss. Mossy Grove, that is. Oh, it wasn't me, I swear. I don't know. I think it was you. Finish. Begin. What scene does it load? Yeah, main game scene. It's all good. Skip. Move. Get quest. Let's fast forward to the end of the day. Let it save. Oh, wait a minute. Did I not like let the day never ended when I was playing. So when I switched to this scene, of course it didn't get saved. So now, Jay, I have a quest. I'm an idiot. It just never saved. If I went to the mailbox, it would have just started over. I'm so stupid. Oh, but I did get 2 errors. Oh, and they're gone. God damn it. So if I load this. I have the quest. All right, it's saving. It's saving. Jesus. That scared me for a second, but we're safe. We're safe. Were you showing off the game in an hour? I'm going to an indie dev meetup. I might show off the game. I'm not sure. I don't know if I'm allowed to. because they have a theme night, and the theme night is visual novels. But the theme night, I'm not sure if the theme night pertains to presentations, which I'm not doing a presentation, or people just throwing their laptop on any open surface and posting up and letting people play, which I think everyone's allowed to do. Yeah, it's in person. It's pretty cool. I went last month and it was awesome, but I just wasn't prepared for it. I had no idea what to expect. I've never been to a real meetup before, but now I'm more prepared. I wonder what those two errors were. All right, let's just continue playing. I'll even use the controller. So we had 2 bikes. We had 2 bikes by doing what? I rode the bike down here. I rode it back. Two bikes. Also, wait a minute. Is there 2 of everything? Is there just straight up 2 of everything? Look at that. The in scene loaded. And the main core scene. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. I think I know what's happening. Rosem, hey, how's it going? I think I know what's happening. The location. In location. No? How do I load a scene? I actually don't remember. Hike loop A. How's progress? Progress is going well. I hit a weird bug right now, but I think it's going to be okay. So why is that of a cube? Oh, whoops. Visitor center. I'm preparing for a meetup. I'm preparing for a meetup. I got about an hour to get this build working. And I just found a weird bug that I'm about to squash because I think I know what it is. So it's basically this scene loader, this warp zone. Warp location, visitor center. Where does it take us? So in south. It takes us to in south. That's what it is. That's not it anymore. That's the problem. That's so funny. Okay, I remember now. What I gotta do. Main game scene. Oh my god. Fixed. We fixed it. Chocolate chip cookies. No, not today. What was I housing today? I was housing something. Oh. No, I was tricked. I was at Don Quixote yesterday, and there was this box of little chocolates. Let me get them. Do you know these chocolates? These things? I picked up this box of little chocolates from Don Quixote. They're I don't know, they're these like little croissant looking things. It looks like this. It's getting, oh, the green is getting keyed out. It's not chocolate chip cookies, but I bought this little box of chocolates to try them, and then I open it up, and it's paper. What? Why? Why does the little box of chocolates have paper inside? And then I look on the back, And it's just, yeah, it's just 80 sheets of paper. What the hell? What the hell? Look, it even says on the front, in English, it says chocolate pie. It says chocolate pie on it. But it's pieces of paper with pictures of chocolate pie on it. What the hell? Chocolate pie. It says chocolate pie. I think it was a joke gift. I think it's literally a joke gift. So yeah, I got had. Eat one for science. Oh, yeah, ridiculous. Okay, so I can fix this bug, thank God. Oh, it's an easy one. All I gotta do is hit this button. Set location asset data to this location. Set location asset data to this location. Set to this location. Done. I'll even unhide this one and set it and then rehide it. Now it all says main game scene. Oh wait, this one. There's one more. Boom. Boom, we did it. Oh, thank God. Let's just make sure. Ow. What the hell? There's like a sunbeam blasting off the skyscraper next to me into my face. Maybe chocolate tastes like... I'm not eating the paper. Wait, now what? Oh, the core scene's not loaded. Oh my God, I can't see now because I just looked directly into that sun reflection. All I see is like big green blobs. You know exactly... Wait, sorry, let me scroll up. Purple Moss. I know exactly what to expect from my local one because I organize it. That's sick. No idea what a normal one is like? That's cool. I want to go to one of your meetups. All right, so if I leave now, can that have been my issue with the Sky Dome? No. That I doubt it. Right? Right? Hmm. Whoa. What was with that? What was with that weird loading? Wait, that's normal now. Fade in, fade out. It didn't fade in and fade out before. Oh, I know what that was. If you try and exit a scene before it finishes fading, it does some funky stuff. I'm not getting any errors, right? Okay, so that was the issue with the demolition because there was basically two things overlapping. So there's a bug fixed. Maybe. Let's make sure. Okay, thank God. That's so funny. All right, I'm gonna do a build, push it to Steam, call it a day. Oh yeah, I made a VTuber and it's terribly cursed. Second favorite, Kane. What's going on? Same, can I come? Yeah. Should we do a virtual one, like on Zoom or on Discord? I mean, I guess that's what Twitch is. This is just one. This is how I see Twitch. It's a 24/7 indie game dev meetup, and we're all just showing off our stuff. And you walk around from person to person. You know, you join channel to channel, hop in some conversations, and you bounce when you don't want to hang anymore. That's what Twitch is. Just, yeah, I love it. Broken material sushi. Wait, that's one of your emotes? Broken material sushi. That's amazing. Wait a minute. But you're an Unreal dev. Do you do Unity as well? I know that, Pink. That's amazing. Rosem, I actually don't know I don't really know the project you're working on or your background so much, except for your about because the past few times I've caught your streams, you were either playing a game or oh no, that's the alarm. The ham alarm. I gotta wind down. But yeah, Rosem, I gotta pay attention and next time I'm able to catch your stream and see what you're working on. Wait, now I'm messing with Twitch integration so I can have the Kiss Garfield reward. Oh my god, second favorite. What are you doing? What are you doing? Is that a Unity thing? Yeah. That pink, that's a special Unity color. All right, we're doing a build. We're going to do the Mac build, and then we're going to do the Windows build, upload it, play it on Steam Deck. So I'm going to bring the Steam Deck and my laptop so two people can play at once. I've developed some Unity projects and UE projects for works before, like SAO smartphone game, VR game, and Pal World. Wait, what? You worked on Pal World? That's crazy. Glad I managed to catch it on the stream. Kev, thanks for hanging. I'm going to do these builds. I'll hang out for a few more minutes. It shouldn't take me too long to do them. So, what's happening? Builds. New Mac AL 2024-06 19 V2. Wait, I need to player settings set version 17. No, don't do that. Do that. Oh, right. It's just called Alpine Lake app. I'm not doing great so far. The mocap is super busted. I'll have to pick up an iPhone to use just for facial tracking. I just streamed for a small amount of time. It was 80% of me laughing at how dumb it looked. Wait, are there any clips? Send me a clip. Send me a clip. I'm working on a streaming tool for my own channel with Unity and plan to develop my own game with UE. That's all of my background. Nice, Rosem. I'm actually glad I know that now. That's a lot of experience. VR. So you worked on a couple of VR games or one VR game. Because my background in game dev doesn't really come from VR, but I definitely took a detour into VR dev for a couple of years in in the commercial world. VR dev, let's go. Yeah, I have a few things on the Oculus store. What do I got? They're not great, but they're there and they're mine. What is it called? Nature Conservancy. Oculus Rift. Oculus Store. This is our future. So I made this. I wasn't alone. It doesn't have great reviews. Good info, bad analysis. Well, it's more like docutainment style. You know, you're on rails, there's a video. Slightly interactive. It's like about overfishing. That was fun to make. So this is done in Unreal. And then what else do I got? Phone of the Wind. Phone of the Wind. Oh, where is it? They took it down? The Phone of the Wind. Phone of... What? Phone of the Wind VR. Oculus. This one. Yeah, this one. There's this phone booth that someone put in their garden for people to come and talk to spirits that have passed on. And we did like a short film on that phone booth. These were like these were drawn and animated in Quill. So some artists drew these in Quill, and we exported the Quill drawings into Houdini to animate them. It was psycho. Yeah, that was crazy. Looks amazing. No, it was fine. It was just fine. It was fun though. It was definitely fun. Let's just make sure this runs. No, you worked on Pal World. That's cool. Is Pal World in early access? Is it still in early access? Man, that like blew up the world for like a month. Everyone went nuts. I'd imagine it'd be early access for a while. Yeah. All right, I'm basically just seeing if those bugs are here. Ah, we still got one bike. Okay. I think we're safe. All right, I'm gonna upload this build to Steam. I'm gonna delete all my old builds. These are all of today's builds. These are all yesterday's builds, or 15th. Get rid of the Linux builds. Get rid of all the Windows builds. Oh, we needed a version 2 of the Windows build. I helped just a bit, but they decided to put my name on the game's credits. Yeah, any bit of help, you should get in the credits. That's something I've been lacking. I don't have credits for this yet. I need to do that. So Mac build v2 Alpine Lake, compress. And then let's build Windows AL 2024. Can I ask you guys, you real devs, what is your naming convention for stuff like this when you're piling up builds? Because what I normally do is this. I do the target, AL for Alpine Lake, the date, and then the version of that date. So this is my second version of today. I don't have like, I don't put like the software version in it. I don't know. It's a VFX frame of mind. It's a very VFX frame of mind. I can't do a good clip of this because there were no good clips, but you get the idea. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why is it pixel shaded? It's terrifying. It looks like it's being censored. Oh my god, that eye movement. The rendering's really nice though. Like it's high quality. The Garfield is censored. Oh my god. I can't. And what are these things? What are these censored things? This is too hot for TV. Too hot for TV. First, I created a new branch on source control with that release, so I have exact code I released. See, that's what a dev would do. See, I'll let the builds pile up for a little bit, and then I just delete them. Because when will I ever need them? I've just gotten into the habit of deleting all old builds. If it's not current, it's deleted. When I do like a big demo release, I'll probably do the right thing and save the code, save that state, save that build. But everything's a work in progress, so I just don't do it. But I'm gonna wrap it up. I do need to run, so I gotta do some I gotta do some things before I head out. Thanks all for hanging out though. This was a good one. Even though I spent most of the time like trying to fix this stupid bug. Let's find someone to raid. It's the same people every day. Like I'm expecting new people to show up. If you don't follow new people don't show up on your follow list. Did you know that? But it's a good thing we love all these people we follow. Let's see what everyone's up to though. Okay, that's so funny. I was just about to raid this person and they're ending, and this is what happened last time. I raided them when they were ending. So I'm not going to do that again. So we'll go to someone else. Oh my god, second favorite. You've taken this idea to a place. I don't know if I like it. It's like too far. But keep going. Don't let me stop you. I'm just a hater. Just another hater in your way. Never let someone like me stop you. Maybe Twitch is Groundhog's Day, the movie where everyone repeats. Kinda. Why is everything broken? Did Twitch just die? No. Did I get to raid Sninko Games yet? Nah. Raid Sninko Games. We're gonna go to Sninko Games. He's a real cool guy. He's working on a game where you play it and you're basically emitting sonar, and that's how you traverse. And it looks interesting. And we're gonna say hi. Credits. We got some follows today. Let's see who. New followers. Lest kept secret and Spirit of Steel will lead you. Thank you so much for the follows. Darkwood with the resub. And Finn, my trusty knight. My knight in shining mod armor. Thank you everyone for hanging out. Really appreciate it. Helping me get through these issues. They were plentiful. Plentiful issues. I'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully this in real life meetup goes okay. Yeah. Karnik. See you later. Foul, second favorite, Rosem. Otsukare-sama. Bye bye. Oyasuminasai.